Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are having a great time. As you all know, I have bought this iPad Air 4th generation. Now let's see the unboxing. I have bought this from the Apple store in my city, and here the staff was really supportive to make the video and the unboxing and help us to explain about the iPad and its features. Anyway, I was knowing previously about iPad, but still I wanted to know anything new features they had, and this is the bill which I got it, and this is the scanned copy from my iPad. I totally paid 62,499 for iPad and iPencil. Let me explain you the breakup. I had an iPhone 6 which I had exchanged it for 3,300. Apart from that, I had an HDFC cashback of rupees 4,000. If the cashback and the exchange was not there, then this could have been reached to 70k. Now we can see this. They are applying this screen guard which I took it from this Apple store. It has costed me 3,999. According to the Apple store, they claim that this screen guard is particularly made and recommended by the Apple, but I'm not sure. When I searched it in the Amazon, it also showed the same or more, I think. Let me check it on the Amazon now. Currently in the Amazon, I didn't find any seller for this particular brand for the iPad, but the cost is says like 6,796. But friends, I bought it in the Apple store for 3,999. That's 3,999, and even the staff, Apple staff, helped me to install it very neatly. So I would recommend you to please buy it in the Apple store if you are interested, or else you can use my affiliate link in the below for this one. Now let's check the unboxing of the iPencil. Friends, this is totally a waste for me. Actually, I unnecessarily bought for this for 10,900. I'm not using it much, but I didn't see any useful, at least for my usage. I mainly bought the iPad for watching the YouTube videos. I have my office training, and I sometimes do share trading over there. So I need an extensive screen for me. So I bought this iPad, but when I'm seeing the usage of the iPencil, it's totally not useful to me, but maybe it's useful for an artist or a person who takes regularly notes over it. I think you should think before buying this one. Now let's check out the battery. After buying the iPad, for the next day, I ran the iPad with the auto lock off and drained the battery till 5%. I ran the kite application throughout the day thinking that it will turn off, but it has a solid battery, I think, as it's a new one. Now let's check out the battery status, which app has consumed the most. As you can see here, the kite app has consumed the 45% of the battery. Apart from that, Chrome and other small applications which I have used. Now let us drain it from the 5% to 0, so that I am going to the YouTube and running a non-copyrighted videos, so that we can see how long it will take to drain the full battery. According to me, it took nearly 13 to 15 minutes to drain the entire battery. As you can now, it will help us to test the speaker of itself. The state of 1% of battery, I was thinking that I would have get the notification for the connecting of the charger, but nothing. It just suddenly turned off. After that, I connected the power cable and waited that it will turn on, it will go back to the YouTube or something, but nothing. It just came to the lock screen and it was not even unlocking. Use my fingerprint, I need to enter the pin. As you can see in the widget, that iPad is at 0 and iPencil it has 100%. The iPencil also gets charged with magnetically on the iPad, but I don't know why the reverse charging is not in. I bought this case or cover from Amazon for 900 bucks, and it perfectly fits for my iPad. I just leave an affiliate link below. If you are interested, please purchase through that one. Guys, the same quality or the same product which I inquired in the Apple store, they were telling it's also costing 3,999 for the starting. I'm not sure why the Apple store sells it for such a high price. Some of the things which I'm getting irritated with is because it doesn't have a headphone jack. I have ordered an 3 point USB-C Type 2 to 3.5 mm headphone jack. Just I will review all those details in the next video. Now let's unbox this and check it. Will show you how perfectly it fits to my iPad. Overall, I'm happy with the iPad purchase as it solves most of my problems. I'll be having online trainings, night meetings with the clients and all, so it is very handy. But unnecessarily, I bought that iPencil. Let us see what the best I can make it out of that iPencil. Along with this one, the usage it has lot of cons. The biggest con which I see is that it doesn't have an audio jack. Either you need to go for an USB Type C converter or you have to go through an Bluetooth headset which is an unnecessary expensive. I have just ordered the USB Type C cables. I will just take that in my next video. Apart from this, I didn't face any problem until now. It's very good, very responsive, and very handy to use it. So overall, I will leave an affiliate link below. If you guys are interested, just buy it. Using that, it would support me. That's it, friends, for this video. Hope you guys have enjoyed it and got some information about the iPad Air 4th generation. Thanks for watching my video.